Hi Year 2, welcome to your science lesson for today. Today we're learning about animal babies. How exciting. Today we are going to be able to describe how animals change as they grow, just like you're changing all the time. We're also going to be able to match animals, adult animals, to their babies. Now, this video you're going to have to watch afterwards separately because my computer is very, very slow, as some of you may already know. So click on this link and watch this video. It's quite cool, telling you about different adult animals and who their baby animals are. So the different names that they have. So we've been learning about living things and what they need to survive. Something all living things do is that they reproduce. This is when a living thing makes a new living thing of the same kind. So as well as needing air and breathing and moving and eating and all of those things, living things also reproduce. Plants reproduce by bearing seeds that grow into new plants. And that's how plants make more of themselves. And humans and other animals reproduce by having babies. Some animal babies look just like their grown-ups, but smaller. And some animal babies look very different. If you look at this slide here, you'll see that the tiger and the tiger baby, I'm not going to tell you the name of the baby right now, they look the same. The baby tiger is just a little bit smaller. But if you look at the other picture, this frog and its baby, which is a tadpole, I'm sure you guys know that, they look very, very different. So we're going to be learning about different kinds of animal babies and how they change as they grow. These animal babies are called mammals. Do you know what they are called? What are their baby names? So if we looked at the first picture, the adult name for this animal is a dog. What is its baby name? That's right, it's a puppy. You guys knew that one. Well done. Then it gets a little bit trickier. What about this baby horse? Ooh, what could that be called? Some of you got that one. Well done. It's a foal. Fantastic. And we're back to our tiger here. What is a baby tiger called? It's called a cub. Brilliant. Well done, guys. And then we have this really cute baby elephant. What's the baby elephant called? I'd be so impressed if anybody knew this one. It's called a calf. And then we have this little cute kitten with its lovely blue eyes. That's right. It's a kitten. I've told you already. And that's a baby cat. So a puppy is a baby dog. A foal is a baby horse. A cub is a baby tiger. A calf is a baby elephant. And a kitten is a baby cat. Well done, Year 2. These are baby birds. Do you know what they're called? You might know their adult names, but do you know their baby names? So the first picture here, which you guys know so much about because this was our last topic, is a penguin. But what is the baby name for a penguin? Think back just before Christmas. What did we call those baby penguins? That's right. Well done for remembering. They're called chicks. Okay, so baby penguins are called chicks. And these are probably the birds that you would recognize more as chicks. And these are baby chickens. So they are chicks. And when they're adults, they are called chickens. They are so cute. Over here, we have some baby ducks. Do you know what baby ducks are called? They're called ducklings. So the word's not too different. Ooh, it's almost like I've added a suffix. onto that word. So those are called baby ducklings. And here we have a baby owl. Again, we add some letters to the end of the word owl for this one's baby name, and it's called an owlet, okay? So the penguins and the chickens are chicks. These chicks are baby penguins and baby chickens. Down here we have ducklings, and they are baby ducks, and an owlet is a baby owl. So we've learnt the different names for what our baby animals are called. Now we're just going to talk a little bit about how mammals grow. And this is the difference here. So just pay attention to the difference between how mammals grow, and then I'm going to move on how birds grow, okay? And there's a big difference there. So these animals in these pictures here are all mammals. That's right. We're mammals too. Look, there's a human here. We are also mammals. And mammals grow inside their mother's womb, okay? So inside your tummy, inside your mother's womb. When they are born, they look quite like their parents, only much smaller, as you can see in all of these pictures. And I'm sure if you looked at some baby photos of yourselves, you will see that you look a lot like your parents, but just much smaller. And I'm sure you still do now. You can even look at your brothers and sisters, if you have any baby brothers and sisters, and see that they actually look very much like your parents, just much smaller. So their mothers feed them with milk and take care of them as they grow. Their bodies grow bigger and stronger, just like you guys, until they're able to take care of themselves. Their bodies grow bigger and stronger until they are able to take care of themselves. Just repeating myself there. Why not? So mammals grow, they are pregnant, and the baby grows inside the mother's womb. And then there's the baby, and it grows into an adult. We're going to be learning more about life cycles later on. So just looking at those changes in a bit more detail. But you can see from all these pictures, they all look very, very similar. So how do birds grow? Mother birds lay eggs. So they don't grow inside. Baby birds don't grow inside their mothers. The mothers lay eggs, and they sit on them to keep them warm until the eggs are ready to hatch. Who can remember what the word hatch means? That's right. It means to crack open. Baby birds are tiny and blind. That means that they cannot see. So they're blind and very weak when they first hatch out of their eggs, and their parents keep them safe and bring them food. The chicks grow bigger and stronger, and they grow thick feathers, and soon they're able to fly away and have babies of their own. So this is how birds grow. They start as an egg, and then they hatch. And here you have a chick that grows into a chicken, which is the adult bird. That's it, year 2. You now have your Google quiz. All of the questions you will be able to answer if you've been paying attention to what I've been talking about. And you use these slides, you'll be able to answer all the questions in this quiz about baby animals. I hope you enjoyed it, year 2. See you soon.
Ooh, that was amazing. Mama.
Thank you, Jess.
Mama.